Alright, we got a 22 Dodge Ram 1500. If you notice, it's got the electronic park brake on it. If you need to replace the back brakes, you either need a scanner, and if you don't have a scanner, I'm going to show you the way to retract this actuator so you can replace the brakes. So we're just going to turn the key on. If you have this dash set up, let's go back to dashboard for a sec. Let's go back to home so you can start from there. We're going to go to vehicle, controls, settings. We're going to find brakes. We're going to brake service, and we want to retract them. Now you can actually hear them retracting. And that's it. Now you're ready to replace the brakes. Turn off the brake maintenance. So how we do that is we turn the key on to run, put our foot on the brake, and pull the park brake. Let off the brake, and just let it continue till it stops making noise. And that's it. You're all done. Pump up the brake, and you're good to go. Please like and subscribe for future videos. You can check out my channel. I got a bunch of adventure videos.